You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So let's break down how to pronounce the name of this member of the Red Velvet K-pop group. We're going to be looking at how to say her real name as well. So stay tuned, but let's start with how to pronounce her stage name. Now, of course, in English it's said as Irene, okay? But in Korean it's pronounced as Eileen, rather than Irene, Eileen. Now, let's get onto her real name. It's fascinating, very interesting. In Korean, in Korea, it's pronounced as Pei. So in Korean, the B sounds a little more like a P, right? It's not a hard P, it's a soft P, but it's not as soft as a B. Pei, Julian, Pei, Julian. That's Irene or Irene, real name. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.